Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make hot chocolate bomb using heart-shaped mold. This can be a perfect gift for Valentine's Day. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for that, here I have used heart-shaped silicone mold which I got it from Amazon. Now fill the mold with melted chocolate all the way up to the edges. Here I have melted chocolate using microwave, but you can also use the double boiler method to melt the chocolate. Now remove the extra chocolate by keeping it upside down and clean all the edges nicely using scraper. Make sure that all the edges are nicely clean. And now keep it upside down on the parchment paper. Here I am also using a spoon mold to make a chocolate spoon. Now keep it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, as you can see, our chocolate is ready to come out. So now carefully remove chocolate from the mold. So here I am making white chocolate heart shape too. So I'm going to repeat the same process again. So as you can see here, our all heart shells are ready. So now I am going to fill them with cocoa mix and some marshmallows. So now assemble them by rubbing another half on hot plate. Here I have used some pink edible glitter to make it more shinier. And now I am decorating heart shape by drizzling a white chocolate and some sanding sugar. Now drizzle some white chocolate on spoon too, so it looks more nice. Thank you for watching. See you next time.